Hello, welcome to Mask Monday in my hotel room, where the lights don't work apparently, except for in the little kitchenette area and the bathroom. I called about it and they said they've been having issues with the breakers. So, whatever. So the mask I'm using today for Mask Monday, I haven't done this in a long time. I needed some TLC though for my face. I've been not even doing my skincare other than cleansing my face, and we'll get to that issue in a moment too. But I found this, I think at Target, Holler and Glow Hangover SOS. Let's see, enriched with strawberry and orange extract with hyaluronic acid. Cute. Okay, I think it was like, I don't know, $2.99, $3.99, I don't know, whatever. It's got donuts on it. It's still cute. So, how's it going? My night's been okay. I'm at work, so that's why I'm at the hotel. This is my second hotel. So, man, I got so mad. I actually finished that IT Cosmetics cleanser, which was the one I was taking to work with me. However, I forgot to replace it. And so, I had to get my little happy ass up. I was so upset. I had to get out of the basement of the station, Union Station, and walk across the street to CVS. And I really hate going outside when I'm on my break in between trains because I just want to chill. It's not a long work day per se, but it's still a long day. So yeah, anyways, I had to go to CVS, and when I got to CVS, oh my god, I haven't shopped in downtown Chicago for anything. For anything in forever. And the prices were just, you know, and I was so upset because I have so many cleansers at home, but I forgot them and I didn't want to go with just hotel soap to clean my face. It's already dry right now. I don't need any more, you know, skin problems. So, yeah, so I was gonna actually get this little tiny, I think it was a CeraVe, even though it was gonna be like $5.50 or something like that. And then I actually ended up seeing this Garnier product. This is Garnier Green Labs Pore Perfecting 3-in-1. So you can use this to cleanse, but also it can apparently perform as a mask. It does say, as a wash and exfoliator, wet face and gently massage into damp skin, rinse it off and pat dry. As a mask, up to 3 times per week, apply on face and leave on for 5 minutes or until fully dry. So it's a cleanser, but it can also dry like a mask. Rinse off and pat dry. Avoid the eye area. It just says Canna B with vitamins B3 plus cannabis sativa seed oil for combo to oily skin. I do have combo to oily skin. So hopefully that works. So that will just be my new Project Pan cleanser. I'm just going to keep that here. I will say I used the Glam Glow at home, that Glam Glow product, and I thought I was putting like absinthe on my face. That's what it smelled like. At first I was thinking like menthol cigarettes, and then I realized no, it's licorice. It smells like licorice. Anyways, very strange. Yeah, so I got that, and I kept my receipt. So that was actually $9.99. I had to apparently pay a couple cents for the bag that I put it in, which I didn't realize Chicago had that either. Not against it, I just didn't know that was a thing. Because I was gonna pay in cash. I had just gotten enough in cash from my tips from the first train. Most of my tips end up on credit cards now. But I was like, cool, I can pay in my tip money. Nope, because all they take is cards. So, yeah, so that's fine. But Illinois, the tax is 10.25%. I was like, fuck. I mean, I think in Indiana it's like 7%. But like, damn. But buying this product, which is, you know, at least double the size of the tiny one, was better, I guess. So at least I have a face wash, so I already used it. And yes, now I have the mask on. I'm going to leave this on for just a little bit longer. Not going to go too long here. But it feels nice. And it's not like doesn't feel like it's slipping down my face, so that's nice. So also going off of my previous video, which I will link up here, where I talked about the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette. So I did use this on my trip. I will use it tomorrow again. This is not Project Pan, this is not Project 10 use or anything. I tried with different colors with mattes this morning or this afternoon rather. Not impressed at all, so yeah, that kind of sucks. But I do, however, love all the shimmery colors in here. The purple, the blue, that sea salt, chorizo. I'm probably gonna take the sticker off the back, and take a lighter to the back, and just melt the glue and pop out those colors and just put them in like a magnetic palette and save them and just like chuck the rest, because yeah, like this blue one was patchy as fuck. So, and same with this spiced one. I was not impressed at all, and we already know that that Tropicana one sucks. And honestly, even the black kind of sucked. So, yeah, that's gonna go bye-bye. That's gonna go bye-bye. And yeah, I don't have much else to talk about. I'm actually waiting for my husband to call me back right now. I just really needed to get into the shower. Oh my god. Like, there's something about working on a train, man. It's like, it's akin to Rocky Horror. After performing a Rocky Horror, you almost inevitably smell like rice and popcorn somehow. It's just the weirdest thing. But with the train, there's just a train smell, and you just need to get it off. So anyways, yes, that's the end of the video. So I will talk to you later. Bye.